Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about very important and interesting IPR, intellectual property right. What is this IPR? If I ask you in general, maybe we'll keep thinking intellectual property right. So what would be intellectual? So let me tell you, it's about my idea, my art, my music, and my content. In short, anything which you create by your own person or a company related to idea, art, music, or any content will come into IPR, intellectual property right. Now we all are seeing, there are so many things on social media. Somebody is using somebody's music, somebody is if copying anyone art, so there should be some action. So IPR talks about all these kind of things which somebody if steals, if somebody misutilize, commercialize, then there will be penalty. So we are not going to talk about penalty, but we are going to see which are the things which will come under IPR. So IPR, if we see, there are types to start with: patent, trademark, copyrights, and trade secret. Broadly, these are four. There are, if you go and find, there are other types as well. Like in patent, there will be several other types. Trademark is altogether one. So, but broadly, we know IPR talked about all these four only. Okay, so don't get confused. If in like in an exam also, if question asked, so be sure there will be patent, trademark, copyright, and trade secret. Now, what is patent? So patent is something when we innovate or when we modify things which is already existing. It's not like that always you have to invent something in patent new. So suppose there is a bulb which is already there, but if we are making some changes in that bulb, in the form of energy conservation, in the form of like if the bulb which gives which changes as per mood, they change the color and light, so that can be also patented. So here something is somebody had already invented, but if you are modifying, so the modification part will be go as a patent. So patents are normally called for engineering product which is related to technologies, and few in the factory manufacturing process. So like suppose if I take this remote, this will be also can be patented because it's a fire stick. It's a not normal remote, it's a fire stick. So here there are different buttons on this, as you can see. So these things can be patented. Nobody can claim this specific this design. Okay, now coming to trademark. Trademark is normally we call it as a company's logo, their name, their brand color, and the slogan. So these are the four important part of trademark. So I'm just writing slogan. Means nobody can copy slogans. Like if I say Amul, so the taste of India. In the same way, Nike, just do it. So these are the slogan, you cannot copy it. Okay, that is a fix. So slogan, color, like MACD, if we see, then it's coming as yellow color. So that is your MACD's point. Okay, now the color. Now apart from this, their logo, like this I said Nike, just do it. So this is their logo. Nobody can copy it any form. Okay, and the way the way it is written, means their font and all. So these things will come into trademark. So once the logo of a company is finalized, then it goes into three different part. That is TM. If you see, there will be TM written. There will be SM written if it is service trademark. Okay, and then if it would be C, this is related to copyright. And then when we have, which we called as R, which is called as registered. So this is very much important, this R, registered. Okay, so this we see. So now if I'll show you one example so that you will come to know. Suppose take this is a product, Ensure. This is from a brand called Abbott. It's actually healthcare product in coming into medical line only, but general for health. So this is here, if you see, there is R. Can you see? This is R here. It says this is registered. Okay, so this logo this is logo only. The major logo is this of the company, but this brand logo will be also considered as a product, because a bot is having so many products. Okay, so all those product he has trademark. Under this, ensure this is diabetic care. The way it is written, the color and the font style, and the tagline, the diabetes care, these things, if it is written registered, so here you cannot copy it. So these are things, if somebody is doing copying, so there will be penalty. So this is one. Now third, we are having a copyright. So copyright is related to your art form, your music, your content. These three things are basically part of it. So if we talk about this book, so the book basically is also part of copyright. So this writer can claim if you are using this book for any other purpose. Okay, like if you're commercializing it, you are selling the content of this book, by your own way. So that will be taken as a serious, conduct. So this is copyright. Now, trade secret is a formula for selling a product that is having a unique taste or unique form, and nobody can copy the taste, like Coca-Cola, Pepsi. No, they had several blind tests, but you cannot get the exact taste what Coca-Cola gives or what Pepsi gives. Same with my favorite Amul butter. So means I tasted all sort of butter, but I never found the same taste, though there are so many good brands available. So that is their secret formula. They are supposed to put all the ingredient, but still the process is very much important. So that process is, it takes you to the trade secrets, which makes a product unique in their taste. So you cannot copy it. So I hope you understood, student. So patent is related to any design which you specifically form for a product, engineering product like mobile, TV and all. Trademark is related to your logo, design, color, and copyright are related to the content of the book, idea of the book, and the trade secret is related to the taste or the flavor or the formula, and this can not only related to food but for the other sector as well, like for the paint industry. So if there is a Nerolac, if there is a Asian Paint, so their formulas are different. So those formulas will be considered as your trade secret.